Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Kencheri lottery app. So let's get started. So here you have to open your Google or you have to open your Play Store. Okay, if your Apple, you have to open your Apple Store. Then you have to go here and click on search button and search for the app. So as you can see here, the app is here. Okay, Kencheri lottery. So I will just open in a Google to show you. So here I can see the official app. So to install it, you have to click on the install button at here and it will be installed. So before installing, you have to see, like, click on here. Then it is not showing me. Okay, now right now, but it's here. So then you have to see for the review and see for the authenticity. Then it will be downloaded. You can just go to their app also, sorry, website also, and from there they have the direct link, and from there you can install also. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.